Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious banana nut smoothie. We're first going to start off by peeling this ripe banana, then we're going to cut it up, put it in a little bowl, and freeze it. So now, once it's frozen, you're going to add it to your blender. Then we're going to add some walnuts. Now it's time for some raw honey, just to sweeten it up a little. And then some vanilla extract. Now we're going to add some milk. Make sure the top is tight and blend, 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 blend. Look at that, so smooth. Add a little cinnamon on top and enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe.